How to build muscle over 50. Today, many older individuals want to build muscle for health and fitness reasons. Building muscle in your 50s depends upon your fitness goals and lifestyle. Now, there are many different ways to build muscle at any age, but people need to understand what their goals are before they can take action. One of the most important things is to understand how your body responds to weightlifting and how you can use weights in your workouts. There are a few factors that you need to know to understand how your body responds to weightlifting. The first is the principle of specificity, which means that your body should be trained in the same way it will be used. The second important concept is overload, which means increasing your workload in order to force your muscles to grow. The best way increasing strength and muscle growth in your 50s is to do 2 to 3 full body training sessions a week, with at least a day of rest in between for muscle recovery, so that the micro tears in your muscles heal and become stronger as a result. A healthy diet is the most important part of any fitness routine. Without it, a person will not get the nutrients they need to build muscle. There are 3 main components of a healthy diet: proteins, fats and carbohydrates. The right balance in these 3 components is essential for building muscle mass. Proteins are necessary for building muscles because they provide amino acids that are used to repair and build new muscle tissue in the body. Proteins should comprise 10 to 35% of calories consumed each day, which is equivalent to 0.36 to 2 grams per pound of body weight per day. Fat is also an important component of a healthy diet, because it provides energy and aids in hormone production needed for muscle growth and development. For example, testosterone production can be increased by as much as 25%, with just 1 week on a high-fat diet. Carbohydrates should comprise 45 to 65% of calories consumed each day. Strength training is important for everyone, regardless of age. It's not just about building muscle and looking good. It's about preventing injuries, improving balance and flexibility, controlling weight, and feeling good in general. Strength training is important because it helps to prevent osteoporosis, a disease that leads to brittle bones and a higher risk of fractures. Older individuals, such as those aged 50 and above, are at a greater risk of getting osteoporosis. Remember, everyone builds muscle at different rates. Being in your 50s doesn't mean you can't build muscle. Like everyone else who wants to get stronger, all you need is a training program, a diet plan, and discipline.